Example 11. Using the discriminant to find the nature of the solutions to a quadratic equation. Use the discriminant to find the nature of the solutions to the following quadratic equations. So the first part A, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 0. We know the value of b is 4. We know the value of a is 1. And we know the value of c is 4. So b squared is 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4, which gives us 16 minus 16, which equals 0. So since we know it's equal to 0, then we know that it represents this first one, which means that there will be one rational double solution. The next example, we have 8x squared plus 14x plus 3 equals 0. The value of b is 14, the value of a is 8, and the value of c is 3. So we end up getting 196 minus 96, which gives us 100. So as we can see, 100 is a perfect square. So if this number is greater than 0 and a perfect square, which we can see, it's a perfect square and it's greater than 0, which is that result, then we're going to get two rational solutions, and that's what we get for our answer. Part C, we have 3x squared minus 5x minus 2, which is equal to 0. The value of b is negative 5, the value of a is 3, and the value of c is negative 2. So we end up getting 25 plus 24, which is 49. So we get a perfect square. So if we get 49, which is greater than 0, which is that right there, and there will be two rational solutions from our results. Part D, we have b squared minus 4ac, which is equal to negative 10 squared, because b is negative 10, minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 15. We get 100 minus 180, which gives us negative 80. So since we get negative 80, then that means that this is less than 0, which tells us that we have two complex solutions. An additional example, if we have 2x squared plus 12x minus 9 equals 0, we get b squared minus 4ac, we get 12 squared minus 4 times 2 times 9. We get 144 minus 72, which is equal to 72. So that means the discriminant is greater than 0, but it's not a perfect square. And if that is the case, then we end up with two irrational solutions. So there will be two irrational solutions.